A Johannesburg-based advocacy group, Right to Justice, thinks that some elements within the state security apparatus are protecting Malawian cleric Shepherd Bushiri and his wife. They have therefore called on the state prosecutor and the investigating officer in the Shepherd Bushiri case to come clean with what it calls the real details of the case. According to Lomwabo Mchando, it is strange that the National Prosecuting Authority knows the whereabouts of Shepherd Bushiri and his wife, but no attempts have been made to arrest and bring them back to South Africa. It is bizarre that while the National Prosecuting Authority knows the Bushiri's exact location, they've made no attempts to arrest him or extradite him in Malawi. The great effort displayed at arresting Thabo Bester and his partner, Nandipa, is not shown to Bushiri. He said it was shocking that after 4 years, the investigating officer for the case was still looking for evidence while Bushiri walks a free man in Malawi. We have learned with disbelief that the investigator is still looking for evidence 4 years later while they know where Bushiri is. The victims of his church still have their travel documents confiscated and still pay lawyers for a stagnant case. According to the Star newspaper in South Africa, it followed allegations that some elements in the prosecution may have been in clandestine contact with Bushiri and are harassing the South African accused in order to pin Bushiri's crime on them. The National Prosecuting Authority's head of communication, Bulelwa Makeke, told the Star newspaper that a prosecution will not be mentioned because there was a court order whereby the names and identities of the prosecutors who are dealing with the Bushiri-related matters may not be published, nor may their images be published. Bulelwa, according to the Star newspaper, failed, however, to provide proof of the court order to that effect. Meanwhile, the Pretoria Magistrate Court has set a trial date for Shepherd Bushiri and his wife, who are accused in the 102 million rand fraud and money laundering case. The trial will finally proceed on the 20th of November 2023 at the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria. This was the decision of the court after a brief appearance of accused persons Willa Mudolo and his wife Zetu Mudolo, Landiwe Ntlokwana, and 2 other accused persons. The accused persons are facing charges of fraud, theft, and money laundering, which reportedly took place between 2017 and 2019 involving Shepherd Bushiri and his wife to a tune of 102 million rand.